Silang terno.
Oo nga.
Pag nasa preso ka, kulay orange. For me and lovebirds, they're more than just a friend. They are just like our brothers and sisters, family na. And di ko na pag isang tawag ko lang sa kanila pag holiday namin ni Gaty. Pupunta sila kagad, magkasama kami palagi. So masasabi ko lang sa inyo, like same way sa sinabi misis ko, always pray, be patient to one another. Kasi you have no choice. Kahit
Ganun yun.
hindi pa ako documented. Love you guys, love you guys.
So guys, 33 years. How many years to be together?
3 years.
3.
What a joy to have gifted us our Wednesday family with this wonderful couple, Brother Joseph and Sister Tess. Obviously, big blessing to us, big inspiration, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they are not encountering some challenges, trials, or difficulties. But they remain to be faithful in their union, in their marriage, that they are surviving and overcoming everything one by one.
You, because you're so generous, you're always giving, you're always like providing for our family in Philippines with my mom. And that's one thing I really admire and I look up to. Not only your children, but also me and Axel. Your heart is very generous, and also Daddy June, he's very funny.
Vital statistics. 32, 24, 32.
Romeo naman. Okay. Pastor